Welcome. Let's delve into the diverse and impressive benefits of bell peppers for our daily diet, covering their positive impact on our body and mind and the delightful ways we can incorporate them into our meals. The colorful world of bell peppers. Bell peppers are a feast for the body, mind, and taste buds. Afsan Farm provides healthy food options. Welcome, food enthusiasts. Today, we're unraveling the vibrant world of bell peppers and exploring why these colorful gems deserve a prime spot in our daily diet. From their nutritional prowess to the irresistible taste they bring to our meals, bell peppers are truly a feast for both body and mind. 1. Nutrient-rich powerhouses. Bell peppers come in an array of colors: red, yellow, green, and orange, each offering a unique set of nutrients. Rich in vitamins C, A, and B6, as well as antioxidants, bell peppers support immune function, skin health, and overall well-being. 2. Heart health and weight management. The potassium and fiber content in bell peppers contributes to heart health by maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and supporting proper digestion. With low calories and high fiber, bell peppers are an excellent addition to a weight management plan, providing a satisfying crunch without the guilt. 3. Cognitive boost and mental well-being. Bell peppers contain compounds like carotenoids and flavonoids that support cognitive function and may help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. The vibrant colors of bell peppers can stimulate visual senses, adding a dash of positivity to your plate and potentially enhancing mood. 4. Versatile culinary delight. Bell peppers are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether raw in salads, roasted, stuffed, or sautéed, their sweet and slightly tangy flavor elevates any dish. Try colorful bell pepper strips as a crunchy snack or add them to stir-fries, omelets, or pasta for instant flavor and nutrition. #5. Skin health and anti-inflammatory properties. The combination of vitamins C and A in bell peppers supports collagen production, contributing to healthy skin and a youthful appearance. The anti-inflammatory properties of bell peppers may help alleviate inflammation in the body, promoting overall wellness. And finally, bell peppers aren't just a feast for the eyes. They're a nutritional powerhouse that adds flavor, color, and a myriad of health benefits to our daily diet. From supporting heart health to enhancing cognitive function, these versatile veggies are a must-have in your kitchen. Experiment with different colors and recipes to savor the goodness of bell peppers in salads, stews, wraps, and more. If you enjoyed this exploration of bell pepper benefits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow food enthusiasts. Unlock a world of knowledge, inspiration, and entertainment by subscribing to our channel today, and join a community of curious minds on a journey towards limitless possibilities. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Afsan Farm Kitchen. Afsan Farm Media Production. Afsan Farm Media Production.